All right, so we have here the unboxing of the Pride Go-Go Elite Traveler mobility scooter with the larger battery pack. So this one has the larger battery pack than the small. They make a smaller and a larger battery pack. This is how you unbox it. So when you get your box, it'll come on a pallet. So right here, we don't have a pallet under here, but it'll be sitting on a pallet. And then you just want to cut these. And then use your knife, open it all the way up like this. Then when you open the box, so when you open the box, the first thing you'll see in your box, you'll see your owner's manual sitting on top right here, and your keys are in the owner's manual. So with the owner's manual, your keys. So as a matter of fact, I'm going to pull the keys out now. So here are the keys in the owner's manual pack. Then you're going to pull the foam out. And over here you have arms that are sitting in a foam box. So I'm going to take the two arms out. We're going to put the arms over here. Also in here you have your seat post right here. And then you have a foam that you can take out as garbage. Inside the box, if you can see from there, you've got your scooter. So the next thing you would do is you will raise the, well, here's your battery charger. Put that over there. You will raise your tiller up. The tiller is the handlebar, so you have to loosen it up. So inside of here, there's a little handle. You twist it, then you can pull the tiller up, and you can tighten it up again. And now I'm going to pull this off of here. Then you're going to have this foam right here again. And then you're going to have in here your basket. Inside your basket, you're going to have different fenders. If you want to change the color of the scooter, these are blue. Right now, the scooter is red. So you have two colors that comes with your scooter. Then you're going to have your battery pack. So your battery pack right here, this is the larger battery pack. Okay? So we're going to put that over here. And the next thing you'll have to pull one more foam out. These come right out. And then inside, on top of your scooter, you will see your seat, which is not that heavy. So while I have it here, let's just take the plastic off. So we're ready to work with the seat. Take the phone. So you have the seat right here. Put that over here. Get my finger out of there. And now we only have the scooter left in here. A few more. Now, how do you get the scooter out of here? Okay? So, the best way to get the scooter, if you have two people, you can lift it out of here. But if you're by yourself, make sure you have a good blade like this. If you're by yourself, cut the box here, in here, and now look how easy that is. So now just get rid of the foam that's in the way. Okay, you might have to raise the nose up, get this foam out. A lot of foam, folks. See, so what I would do now is I would just raise the rear up and roll it out, because you have foam in the back also. So you have another foam right here. The wheels were sitting in here, so that's why I lifted and pushed it out. So that's the easiest way to get it out of the box. So right now, you can see the wheel is locked. So what you have to do is unlock the wheel right there at the bottom, And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull the plastic off of it so you can see the bottom. And right here is a neutral lever. If you push it forward, the scooter rolls. You see how it rolls? Okay. So now I'm going to get my box out of the way. And we're going to start putting the scooter together. So let's bring it back over here so you can see. So what's the first thing I want to do? Well, the first thing I want to do is find my keys again. And you have to pull the little tab off. Put your keys in here so you don't lose them. Just like that. I'm going to leave the tag here just to show it's still new. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the seat post on. So take your seat post right here. I don't know where they wrap this so well. It's just a seat post, but they got it wrapped pretty good for just a metal post. It's going to take more time to unwrap the pole than to unwrap the scooter. There we go. So now here's your seat post, and you have two holes, okay? So it goes in here. Your bolt for that, in the bottom of your manual, there is your pin right here for the seat post. So you have two holes. I'm going to put it at the low position, all the way down. Put the pin in. That's it, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in gear so it doesn't roll. I'm going to take the battery pack right here. And I'm going to drop the battery pack right in the slot. And if you want to know if it's working, turn the power on, and if the lights come on, you can see the scooter rolls backward and forward. You know you've done it well. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take the seat, and we're going to go like this so you can see the pole. And we're going to put it in like this, fold the seat up. We're almost there, folks. So now we have left, we have the charger, the owner's manual, and the charger. We have the two arms right here. So I'm going to unpack the arms. So you can see this is the right arm. So you have to unscrew this knob right here, because if you put it in like now, it won't go until you unscrew the knob far enough. Now I'm going to show you a little trick here. Put the other arm in here. Okay? Now, you've got pins here that comes in your bag. So you can put these pins in here, but here's what happens. If you put the pin in the last hole right here and you tighten it up, your arm is still 2 inches from the seat, okay? If you want that arm real tight so you have the best traveling space, take the pin out, loosen it up, and bring it all the way so you can shut the seat like this and tighten it. It's still not going anywhere. And keep your pin in the back pocket. Same thing here. If you look over here, if I put the pin in the last hole, you see the gap? It makes your arm pretty wide. I will take the pin out and I'll push it all the way. Then I'll tighten up these real tight so you can still shut the seat and keep your pin in here. If you don't mind having the arms out, then put your pin in, but you'll be further away from the seat back. So folks, this is the unboxing of the GoGo Elite Traveler with the extended battery pack. This is the unboxing again of the Pride GoGo Elite Traveler with the extended larger battery pack. Hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, give us a call. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.